it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. So imagine living in a community with its own farm, river access, and scenic trails, just minutes from the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Welcome back to the River District. If you saw my previous videos, you already know that this is Charlotte's newest master plan community, a destination designed for both lifestyle and convenience. And today I am super excited to show you the Landon model by DRB Homes, a 3-story townhome starting in the mid-480s. Inside, you will find an open concept floor plan with a gourmet kitchen, an oversized island, and stainless steel appliances. The dual sliding glass doors opens to a spacious deck, perfect for indoor-outdoor living. Now upstairs, you will love the dual primary suites. So not one, but 2 primary suites, guys. Spotlight bathrooms and plenty of natural light. Plus, there's a first floor guest suite, or you can make it an office with a full bath. And it doesn't stop at your front door. The River District will include future amenities like a pool, clubhouse, playgrounds, community parks, biking trails, and even a dog park. Plus, there will be an on-site farmers market and farm-to-table dining. This is more than just your home. It is truly a lifestyle. So, if you're ready to explore the River District or any other community in the area, you already know what to do. Give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. I hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.